There are many products available to choose car gadgets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car gadgets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Arestech 5.5-inch Windshield HUD Head-Up Display. A Windshield HUD head-up display is one of the more futuristic additions you can make to your car without having to do hardly any heavy lifting. All you have to do is plug the device into your car's OBDII, usually under the dashboard to the left of your steering wheel, and then place the display facing upward on your dash. Ultimate Blade Runner energy here. Number 2. Govee Car LED Lights, Smart Interior Lights with App Control. Interior lights can turn out pretty awesome. This top-rated kit has over 50,000 5-star reviews on Amazon and is well under $20. You get 4 light strips that connect to a Bluetooth receiver, which then pairs to your phone so you can control the light settings. Number 3. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel Kit Universal Detailing Cleaner. You've probably seen something like this on Instagram or TikTok. We're here to tell you this car cleaning gel works, and the fact it will help clean out pesky crumbs and bits of dirt for under $10 is well worth adding to your cart. Number 4. ESR Magnetic Wireless Car Charger Mount. A wireless charging mount that actually stays put on your air vent is a hard find. Luckily, we've seen this mount from ESR in action, and it thoroughly impressed us in testing. Number 5. Carpuride 9-inch Touchscreen Wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto. This Carpuride 9-inch touchscreen display is a jack of all trades when it comes to bringing display software and a physical display too to your fingertips. The display connects to your 12-volt port and can be positioned up on your dash. From there, you can run Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as access a number of other apps to help you on your drive. Number 6. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII Scan Tool for iPhone and Android. Approach your car like a mechanic would with this plug-in scanner. It goes in your car's OBDII port, where the device then helps troubleshoot problems while also providing live data like vehicle speed, engine RPM, and fuel pressure. Oh, and did we mention the Bluetooth Pro relays everything to your phone? Number 7. Anker USB-C Car Charger, 40-watt 2-port power. With Apple switching over to USB-C, this USB-C car charging is about to be 10 times more useful. What's nice is it has 2 ports for rapid charging. Number 8. HEYTRIP Inflatable Air Mattress for Car Camping. There are a zillion different types of inflatable mattresses you can buy for your car. This 4-inch thick mattress from HEYTRIP is a Goldilocks pick for us. It's more comfortable than a cheaper mattress, but more valuable than an expensive mattress. Number 9. FORTEM Car Storage Organizer Collapsible Multi-Compartment. For those who like to keep a lot of stuff in their car, a car organizer is a smart buy to keep your interior looking like it got hit by a tornado. This collapsible multi-compartment bin has plenty of space and is cut with a durable polyester material. Number 10. Senllen Car Tent Fully Automatic 189-inch Large Size. This deployable car tent extends well over most sedans, SUVs, and even trucks, making it ideal for shielding your car from rain and hail, but also the sun. The tent is made of a strong Oxford cloth, so even with small falling objects, you have enough toughness to protect your car from getting dinged. Number 11. AstroAI Tire Inflator Air Compressor 12-volt DC Portable. Tire problems are the worst. This portable air compressor draws power by connecting to your car's 12-volt port. Once on, the compressor can inflate from 29 psi to 36 psi in about a single minute. Then, once finished, all of its contents can be stored in the body for easy packing. Number 12. Drop Stop the original patented car seat gap filler. A seat gap filler is the ultimate hack to making sure you never have to deal with your valuables falling through that dreaded crevice ever again. The Drop Stop, which was first seen on Shark Tank, is our favorite seat gap filler pick. Number 13. Teeran CarPlay Wireless Adapter 2025 Upgrade Plug and Play. Apple CarPlay is one damn good software to have. It allows for easy mapping for navigation and for queuing up music on the fly. CarPlay is even compatible with Siri, making for some excellent voice assistance. If your car doesn't have CarPlay, you're in luck. This wireless adapter will plug into a USB port and then make it possible to access CarPlay for your car's touchscreen display. You're welcome. Number 14, ART 4K Dashcam built-in Wi-Fi GPS. Dashcams can easily reach over $300, but the beauty of the ROVE is it packs all the essentials you need in a dashcam for under $125. It records in 4K Ultra HD and features several recording settings. Plus, you can connect the ROVE to get footage directly to your smartphone via the ROVE app. Number 15, Noco Boost Plus GB41000A UltraSafe Car Battery Jump Starter. In the same way, you need supplies for tire emergencies. You also need jumper cables for engine emergencies. The Noco is a portable jump starter that neatly stores your cables for easy packing. When you need a jump, all you have to do is hit the power button, connect the cables, and start turning your engine over. The Noco also has a tactical-grade flashlight on the end and a USB port for charging devices, like your phone. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.